Making a dollhouse can be a fun and rewarding craft project, whether you're an experienced woodworker or a beginner. It's a great way to create a unique and special play space for your child, and it's a project that can be customized to your child's specific interests and preferences. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make a dollhouse. Before you get started, you'll need to gather a few supplies. Here's a list of what you'll need. Wood. You'll need wood to build the frame and walls of the dollhouse. You can use a variety of different types of wood, such as pine, oak, or plywood. Just be sure to choose wood that is sturdy and of good quality. Tools. You'll need a few basic woodworking tools, such as a saw, drill, sandpaper, and a hammer. Screws. You'll need screws to hold the frame and walls of the dollhouse together. Make sure to choose screws that are the right size and type for the wood you're using. Glue. You'll need wood glue to help hold the pieces of the dollhouse together. Paint. You'll need paint to give the dollhouse a finished look. You can use any type of paint that you like, but be sure to choose a type that is safe and non-toxic. Decorations. You'll need decorations to add personality and style to the dollhouse. You can use a variety of different items, such as wallpaper, carpet, curtains, and furniture. Now that you have all of your supplies, you're ready to get started. Follow these steps to make a dollhouse. Measure and cut the wood. Measure and cut the wood for the frame and walls of the dollhouse using a saw. Make sure to cut the pieces to the correct size and shape. You'll need 4 pieces for the walls, 1 piece for the bottom, and 1 piece for the roof. Assemble the frame. Using screws and glue, assemble the frame of the dollhouse. First, attach the bottom piece to the 4 walls. Then, attach the roof piece to the walls. Make sure that everything is square and level. Add the walls. Once the frame is assembled, add the walls to the dollhouse. Use screws and glue to attach the walls to the frame, making sure that everything is straight and level. Sand the wood. Once the dollhouse is assembled, use sandpaper to smooth out any rough or uneven spots on the wood. This will help to create a smooth, finished surface. Paint the dollhouse. Using paint and a brush or roller, paint the dollhouse. You can use any color or design that you like. Just be sure to let the paint dry completely between coats. Add the decorations. Once the paint is dry, it's time to add the decorations. You can use wallpaper, carpet, curtains, and furniture to give the dollhouse a unique and personal touch. You can also add windows, doors, and other details using wood, paper, or other materials. Enjoy. Once the dollhouse is decorated, it's ready for your child to play with. They'll have hours of fun exploring and playing in their new miniature home. Making a dollhouse is a fun and rewarding project that can be customized to your child's specific interests and preferences. With a little bit of wood, glue, and paint, you can create a unique and special play space that they'll enjoy for years to come. Just be sure to use caution when using tools and handle all materials safely. It may also be a good idea to enlist the help of an adult if you're not confident in your woodworking skills. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can make a beautiful and functional dollhouse that your child will love. In addition to being a fun project, making a dollhouse can also be a great learning opportunity. Your child can learn about spatial relationships, design principles, and problem solving as they work on the project. They may also develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination as they handle the various tools and materials. Overall, making a dollhouse is a wonderful way to spend time with your child and encourage their creativity and curiosity.